Am I gonna be like a werewolf after this? I'm done. Pick this bad boy up right here. Oh yeah, live free, stay wild. Everything's well packaged from the outside box itself to the inside, and has a nice little carrying case for everything. Love this. All the accessories, everything's really good quality, good packaging, great design. Make sure you sanitize everything, read the directions thoroughly so you understand how to use everything before you use it. But here's a derma roller. You just simply roll it on your face. Just roll it everywhere. Roll it everywhere. It just feels like something scratching me. I'll tell you what, this feels a lot better than this thing ripping my hair out of my face. Once you're done with the derma roller, we're going to take some of the Beard Boost Serum. We're going to take a couple dabs, get that on our fingertips, and then gently rub it in. Just rub it in there. Yeah. It's kind of minty, like tea tree almost. Rub it in there good, yeah. And last but not least, we got the beard gummies. Get some. Man up. We got the beard growth gummies. Oh. Just like fruit punch. It's just like fruit punch or a gummy. Am I gonna be like a werewolf after this? I'd say put my shaving kit in this, but I'm not trying to shave anymore.